guys, Raven here. Welcome back to my channel. Hi. I'm sitting here with Ryan, of course, because he wouldn't go to sleep and it's daytime and Rachel's over here moving my camera around. So this is gonna be fun. It's gonna be quick too. It's just something I was thinking about and I just wanted to talk about really quick. About, oh my gosh, yeah, this isn't gonna work. Okay, can you sit there? Okay, about where I am going on my with my channel. I've been really thinking a lot about the content I want to put out, what I wanted to include about my life, blah blah, and I was trying to, you know, remember like what I really enjoy doing, and it kept coming to fitness, like lifestyle fitness. Like that's just what you do. That's what I've been doing. I've been working out since I was 16 years old. I joined Lucille Roberts, that's a women's gym in New York, and I joined that gym when I was 16. I would go to school, take the bus after school to Lucille Roberts for an hour, take a shower, get dressed, and go to work. And I was 16 years old. So like I said, this is something I've been doing for a long time, and I've just really always been passionate about it. I was a personal trainer 2 years ago. I think my certification expired. I never, it was a goal that I had. I was training to be in a fitness competition. I was actually slimming down very well, and just had a change of heart. I didn't really want to do that anymore, but I've always it always kind of boiled down like that to me. I remember my first, the first time I weighed myself, I was 14 years old. That was my first like introduction to a scale and a number pertaining to your weight. I don't know what made me do it, but I just did it. I was going into high school. It was summertime, and I remember stepping on a scale, and that scale said 150 pounds. And I don't know, I knew I had a bad, the number didn't sit right with me. I thought I was supposed to be a smaller number. My height is I'm 5'4" and a half, or 5'3" and a half, 5'4", I'm 5'4", and at that time I was probably 5'3". So I didn't, in retrospect, I just didn't hear of anybody my age being 150 pounds. So I remember even going into 9th grade and talking to girls, and them saying like, I need to lose weight, and I would be like, oh, how much do you weigh? And they'd be like, I'm 135 pounds, and I would be so embarrassed, like, oh, yeah, I'm 150 pounds. At that time I probably was more, but I've never, saying that, I've never really, to this day, I've never told anyone put a number next to my weight, because I feel like, number one, I don't usually look the number that I am, and number two, I remember how I felt when someone told me they were a certain, like, I remember the feeling I had when I put a number next to my weight. For me, it's more about a look. For me, it's more about how I feel and how my clothes feel. So I just never, even when I see people say how much they weigh on Instagram, I find myself looking at them, comparing myself to them, and saying like, okay, you know, I don't, the number to me just really doesn't matter. And I say that to say, because I know I wanted to start talking about my journey to lose the rest of my weight that I gained from having the twins, but I was like, am I gonna have to tell them how much I weigh? And I still don't know if I'm ready to do that. I just don't associate numbers and weight. It doesn't do, it's not a good thing to me. It doesn't make me feel good, so I don't know if I want to do it. That could change, I don't know, but as of right now, I'm just not ready. I will tell my measurements all day, so my next video I will be telling what my measurements are. As of right now, I am on a plant-based diet. I'm not going to call it vegan, because I don't look at my foods well enough to see if anything is you know, is vegan, like certified. I don't have time for that. I also have Crohn's disease. Crohn's disease is it falls under the ball of IBS, and with that I don't do well. My body does not like dairy. It also doesn't like some types of like wheats and things like that too, and grains, so I have to be careful with that. So I've been plant-based officially for the past 2 weeks again. I was plant-based a while back for like a year, but I just started again. Before then I was keto. The reason I left keto and went back to plant-based is because I don't enjoy eating meat. I talked about that in other videos. But so for me, but I noticed when I started doing left keto and went to being plant-based again, I just started eating whatever. It was just, if it's, you know, if it's not meat, I can eat it. And so I haven't gained, hey girl, I haven't gained any weight. Yeah. Really? I haven't gained much weight, but I do feel my midsection, I feel a little fluffier in the midsection. Of course, when you incorporate carbs back into your diet, that's just what happens. So what my game plan is this, okay? I am going to stay plant-based, but I'm just going to make sure that my diet consists of like none of the processed plant-based things, like none of the, you know, box prepared foods, things like that. I will be cooking my meals more, and if I don't eat, I need to make sure I meal prep, because when I don't meal prep, I find myself getting a bowl of cereal with some almond milk, and that usually turns into 2 bowls of cereal and almond milk. And I just feel like if I prepare my meals more, that won't happen. So the game plan is to just be a cleaner plant-based. And also, I have just started running again. I ran the bridge today, that we have over here, and I was pretty proud of myself, because the last time I did it, it seemed so long to me, like it seemed so far, and then today I did it, and I was like, that was so easy. So I'm going to be doing that more. I also felt better getting outdoors to work out. Now I have these two here, and sometimes I might have to do workouts at home. I'm prepared for that. I'm thinking of ditching my gym membership just for a little bit to get me outdoors more and just change my scenery, because I need to change. Usually if my body's not changing, that just means I need to switch up some things and change. So that is the game plan. So yeah, that is the direction that my channel is going. Hi, put that down. Oh my gosh. That's the direction the channel is going. Yeah, I just wanted to come on here and let you guys know that, and I will be doing meal planning. I will be doing shop with me still. I will be doing planning videos around my family and things like that, around my weight loss. But for the most part, like I want to say 75% of my content on here is going to be my weight loss journey, being plant-based. So with that being said, and my thoughts being everywhere, thank you so much for watching. I have to go because Ryan is crying and Rachel is pulling, and this is my life, and I got kids to go get from the bus stop soon. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you tomorrow. I'll still be uploading daily. Nothing has changed with that. I'm going to be doing some cooking videos and things like that. I'm really excited about those. So yeah, really excited. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my phone. Bye.
Honey bunny, why are you walking away? Baby, lost your tongue somewhere, don't know what to say. Stop and run around, oh you act like a kid.